When I was sitting for my first exam, I was feeling a little stressed. Then I had to take 2 glasses of water before when I saw the question papers.
What will happen? What will the paper come? Which set will you get?
You cannot sleep at night, tension. I couldn't do anything. I just started crying over it.
At least 1 in 2 teenagers giving their exams this year get panicky and feel their hearts race when they get their test paper, finds a recent survey done on 2,000 school children in and around the capital. 40% of these students also experience blankouts.
That's reflective of extreme stress. One blackout or one missing out question leads to 2 more, and then they come out feeling quite bad. And that feeling then takes on to the next exam and becomes a vicious cycle.
The reason for the stress, 75% students declared, is strong parental pressure to perform well. To deal with the stress, while 7% boys and 5% girls admitted to taking memory pills and 40% are drinking more caffeine than usual, even more worrying, at least 10%, that is about 1 in 10 students, has started smoking to bust exam stress.
Children need to understand that smoking actually makes it worse. Your concentration works, your anxiety increases.
20% students from the age group 13 to 17 eat erratically, missing meals while preparing for the exams. And more than 1/3 of both boys and girls find it difficult to relax and sleep before an exam. And if they do take a break to relax, half of these children go online to do so, to chat with their friends. Not only does this decrease concentration levels and attention spans, it also causes more fatigue.
So encourage your kids to take a break every 2 to 3 hours and to just get out of the house for a bit, listen to some music or catch up with some friends if possible, or even a simple walk to a market will prove helpful to break out of the routine. In New Delhi, Shalini.